Hey everyone, despite being a strong new addition to the commuter e-bike market, the Ride1Up Vorsa is almost undersold when referred to as a commuter. With this model, Ride1Up has departed from their typical city-focused designs and produced a far more adaptable bike that can be used for both everyday urban commuting and touring or light trail riding. The Vorsa's performance is primarily driven by a robust 750-watt rear hub motor that generates 95 Newton-meters of torque. This implies that in addition to having quick acceleration and Class 3 top speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, you'll also have some climbing capability, making it ideal for weekend trail excursions or steep metropolitan settings. Additionally, riders have more choice over where and how they ride, thanks to the on-screen controls that let them choose between Class 2 and Class 3 modes. For its price range, the Vorsa's technological integration is exceptional. The bike has a bright color display that indicates how much time you spend in each pedal assist level, in addition to providing all the ride statistics you would anticipate. For riders who enjoy tracking efficiency or simply pushing themselves to pedal harder, it's a useful feature. Even better, it has built-in compatibility for Apple Find My. It runs directly off the bike's primary battery, unlike a standard AirTag, which depends on a tiny, easily depleted battery. The Vorsa has a UL-certified battery pack that can produce 720 watt-hours of power. On the lowest pedal assist setting, that provides you with a range of up to 60 miles, which is more than sufficient for the majority of your daily requirements. However, the ride sensation is just as important as capacity. One of the greatest torque sensor implementations you'll find on a bike under $2,000 is the Vorsa, which comes with a high-end sensor. Its natural pedal feel and responsiveness greatly improve the riding experience. The Vorsa's design strikes the ideal balance between tough and elegant. It is a useful freight carrier with a semi-integrated rear rack that can hold up to 440 pounds in total with optional extensions. Its 100mm front suspension fork and 2.6-inch Schwalbe tires provide stability and traction on uneven terrain, making off-roading surprisingly comfortable. When you combine that with a Shimano Ashura 8-speed drivetrain, full aluminum fenders, and a reliable LED lighting system, you're looking at a bike that is far more powerful than its size. The Vorsa isn't flawless, yes. It weighs between 65 and 70 pounds, depending on your accessories, and comes in a very subdued color palette with largely gray-tone selections that aren't overly striking. However, considering everything this bike has to offer, those seem like little complaints. The Ride1Up Vorsa is a multi-purpose e-bike that combines comfort, technology, power, and affordability into a single ride. It's a stylish combination of a cargo bike, a commuter cycle, and a recreational cruiser. The Vorsa is more than capable of handling any duty, whether transporting groceries, riding to work, or taking a weekend trip out of town. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, have a nice day, and God bless you.